What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this 2017 Lexus NX200t turbo. It's a 4-cylinder engine, but it's a turbo. I'm going to show you guys how to change the air filter and the cabin filter. This is what I got over here. So something like this will cost you about like 30 bucks. So there's a filter, cabin filter. This is the engine air filter down here. So PTC and Pure Later, that's the branch we're using. So what we're going to do is softly take it off this hood. We're going to put it to the side. What we're going to do is we're going to go under hood of this vehicle and I'm gonna pop this hood open. Okay, it's gonna be very simple. You guys can do this at home easily. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna come right here, this tab, you pull on this tab. This is where your air filter housing is at. Right here is your filter. It's very easy to pull out this filter. Slowly pull it out, and this thing it's not in bad condition, but it's gotta go. You should be changing your filter about every 15 to 20,000 miles. So if you got a lot of dirt and debris in there, you might want to vacuum this, but it's okay for us to, because there's not much in there. But in the back, you see these two little arms? Those two little arms, they go in there and they're sitting there. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our filter here. Let's grab our filter right here. And engine filter, something like this, you can buy it for 15 bucks and save yourself a headache. So waiting at the dealer is a couple of hours. Let me get this out of the box. Okay, there's our new filter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this up and put the filter in. Sorry about all that wiggle waggle. So we're gonna lift this up. You're gonna take your filter and put this filter in. Try to get it the same way you took out, and it's only gonna fit one way. And then make sure the back end, the little two legs I showed you, they go into the groove in the back. Make sure they sit properly. You should be able to easily close this guy. Bada bing, bada boom. It took me no more than 2 minutes to put this filter in. And now we're gonna move on to the cabin filter. So here's our cabin filter I showed you guys earlier. It's gonna be in a little bag. And same process. We're gonna get this guy out of there. The hardest part for me is getting these out of the boxes. There you go. Let me rip the bag up. Okay, it's gonna give you a little bit of instructions in here, but we don't need instructions. It does have an arrow. We do have to follow that arrow right there, airflow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside the vehicle on the passenger side in the glove box. Okay, you got this little guy, just like I told you. You're gonna squeeze this guy and pull this guy at the same time, and this plunger should release just like that. Then you're gonna push this side in, same thing on this side, and this glove box is just gonna fall down. And right in here, you see this has an arrow. Right there's an arrow, it says up. We are not following direction of airflow up. Okay, we're following the airflow is going down. You see this? Look how filthy this guy is. This is a dirty cabin filter right here. So the airflow is a very big confusion. Air goes through here and comes out through there. That's why it blocks all the leaves if you put the filter the other way around. But it really doesn't matter. We're not gonna pay too much attention to that. But just airflow has to be down, so we're gonna be facing this guy down, just like that. Let's go back into the vehicle. We're gonna put this filter just like that, okay? Airflow down, okay? Because the airflow is going down. We're not going by the arrow. That's wrong instructions. And so simply, if it only goes one way, so if you try to get it this way, it won't fit. Okay, it's too fat. This way, you're gonna have an empty slot on this side. That's fine. You're gonna take this guy and you're gonna stick it in that corner right there, and you're gonna click it. After that, all you're gonna do is, with the one hand, I'm not gonna be able to manage this glove box, but put these legs, these little guys sit in here, and the glove box go in really smoothly and easily. It is a little bit of a heavy, but after that you just push it in and you clip this guy right in there, and you're all done. And if the glove box doesn't align, that means something is off. So something is off on our side. The bottom ends are off over here, so I'm gonna redo it and I will close this up properly. I just can't do it with one hand holding the camera. So I got this in, so it's gonna be very simple. You see how smooth it come out? So if you forgot to put this plunger in, it's gonna come down hard. So it should close smooth and open smooth. If it doesn't work out properly, you might have to redo it, like my legs wasn't sitting properly down there. And bada bing, bada boom, you're all set. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one.